Do you want a new and exciting recipe for Christmas? Try these gingerbread cupcakes from a cake mix with a cream cheese frosting recipe. I guarantee that this quick recipe is super easy to make. Hence, you make it with cake mix and topped with a delicious and fluffy cinnamon cream cheese frosting. So go ahead and add this recipe for your Christmas celebration. Remember, this recipe can make 24 pieces of cupcakes. Moreover, sifting the cake mix is important to make sure that you remove any lumps. For that reason, this process will help in whisking the cupcake batter at ease or manageable. What you will need: ingredients for the cupcakes. Box of spice cake mix. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Half teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/3 cup vegetable oil or canola oil. Half cup of molasses. Half cup of milk. 3 pieces large eggs. For the cinnamon cream cheese frosting, 1 cup of softened butter left at room temperature. 6 ounces of full-fat cream cheese. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar. Step-by-step instructions for the gingerbread cupcakes. Step 1. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Afterward, line your cupcake pans with cupcake liners. Step 2. Then, using a large mixing bowl, sift the cake mix with ginger and cinnamon using a sieve. Step 3. After that, add the molasses, oil, eggs, and milk to the mixing bowl. And then, beat it using an electric mixer till the mixture becomes smooth. Then, pour the cupcake batter or scoop it into the cupcake pans with cupcake liners. Step 4. After that, bake the gingerbread cupcakes in the preheated oven for 22 to 25 minutes, or until the cupcakes cook thoroughly. Remember, you can use a toothpick to check if the cupcakes are okay. Do this by poking the cupcake in the middle with a toothpick. When you can observe that the toothpick comes out clean, it is ready. Step 5. Afterward, remove the gingerbread cupcakes from the oven. After that, make sure to let them cool completely on a cooling rack. For the cinnamon cream cheese frosting. Step 1. Before anything else, beat the butter using an electric mixer in a large bowl until smooth. Then, add the cream cheese to the butter mixture and beat. Step 2. After that, add in the cinnamon, then gradually add the powdered sugar until everything combines well. Afterward, add more sugar if desired, or add less. Step 3. Then, place the frosting in the piping bags with a piping tip using a rubber spatula. Afterward, pipe the cupcakes with frosting and add garnishes like a candy gingerbread man, mini gingerbread man cookies, or sprinkles. Step 4. Lastly, serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks. Furthermore, you can substitute yellow cake mix with a spice cake mix. However, do not use vanilla cake mix. When using yellow cake mix, I propose using 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. In addition to that, use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of allspice for the recipe. Additionally, to decorate your cupcakes with beautiful swirls, use a piping bag and piping tip. You can also decorate your cupcakes with sprinkles, mini chocolate chips, or anything you want. Keep in mind that the unfrosted cupcakes can stay at room temperature for a few hours. With that, it depends on how cold the place is. However, to make the cupcakes last longer, you should store them in the refrigerator. As a result, it will last for 3 to 4 days. In addition to that, you should store frosted cupcakes with cream cheese in the refrigerator. Doing this avoids the cupcake from going bad. With that, keep the gingerbread cupcakes in an airtight container or with a lid. Moreover, one way to know that your cupcakes are ready is to use the bounce back method. To perform this, gently press down your baked cupcake, and if it bounces back, it means it is okay. But if the cupcake has a dent after pressing it, it needs more time. Also, when mixing your dry and wet ingredients, do not overmix and do not undermix. Because of that, mix all of the ingredients until they incorporate thoroughly. Therefore, mix until there are no visible pockets of flour and lumps in the mixture. Bear in mind that overmixing can cause dense and chewy cupcakes. Furthermore, Use real butter and full-fat brick-style cream cheese for this recipe, or else the frosting will be too thin. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.